In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Calendly account. Make sure you've got your credentials ready and access to your account. Once you've logged in, take a glance at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a series of icons there. One of them looks like a set of 4 blank squares. This is the one you need to click, as it represents the Integrations and Apps section. Within this section, we're searching specifically for Squarespace. So go ahead and type Squarespace into the search bar provided. You'll be directed to Calendly's Help Center, where you'll find a specific set of instructions for integrating with Squarespace. These steps are laid out clearly, and it's important to follow them closely to ensure everything goes smoothly. Now, when you reach the 5th instruction, there's a particular task: obtaining the Calendly embed code. This is where things might seem a bit tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through it. Let's head over to the scheduling section of Calendly. On the right side, you'll spot a 3-dot icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal several options. What you want to do is select Add to Website. Upon selecting that option, you'll be presented with 3 different ways to have Calendly appear on your site. It's entirely up to you how you'd like it to be displayed, so feel free to choose the option that best suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click Continue. This will generate the embed code you need. Remember, this code is the critical piece for completing instruction number 5 back in the Help Center instructions. And there you have it. You've got your embed code ready to go. By following these steps and utilizing the tips I've shared, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Calendly into your Squarespace site. If you encounter any issues or have questions, circling back to the Help Center can be extremely beneficial as it's packed with resources and FAQs. I hope this guide has been helpful as you integrate Calendly into your online platform, enhancing the way you schedule meetings and appointments with ease. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!